Today we are making Italian microwave vanilla panna cotta with berry coulis. It serves 4 people and takes 20 minutes active, plus 4 hours chilling. Simple, silky, and perfect for dessert night. Let's quickly go over the ingredients. 2 cups heavy cream. This is the silky base of our panna cotta. 1/2 cup whole milk. It lightens the texture without losing richness. 1/3 cup granulated sugar. Just enough sweetness for balance. 2 teaspoons powdered gelatin. This sets the cream to a perfect wobble. 2 tablespoons cold water for blooming the gelatin. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract for that classic aroma. A pinch of fine salt to make the flavors pop. 1 cup mixed berries for the coulis. Use your favorite blend. 2 tablespoons granulated sugar for the coulis. 1 tablespoon lemon juice to brighten the sauce. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Set 4 small serving glasses on a tray and place the tray in the refrigerator to chill. In a small bowl, sprinkle 2 teaspoons powdered gelatin over 2 tablespoons cold water. Let it bloom for 5 minutes. In a large glass measuring jug, add 2 cups heavy cream, 1/2 cup whole milk, 1/3 cup granulated sugar, and a pinch of fine salt. Stir to combine. Microwave the cream mixture on high for 90 seconds. Stir well to dissolve the sugar. Microwave again in 30-second bursts, stirring each time until the mixture is steaming with tiny bubbles at the edges, about 60 to 90 seconds more. Do not let it boil. Stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Add the bloomed gelatin to the hot cream and whisk until fully dissolved, about 1 minute. Make sure no granules remain. Let the panna cotta base cool at room temperature for 10 minutes, stirring once or twice to prevent a skin. Pour the mixture evenly into the 4 chilled glasses. Refrigerate until set, at least 4 hours. For the berry coulis, in a small microwave-safe bowl combine 1 cup mixed berries, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar for the coulis, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Stir to coat. Microwave on high for 90 seconds until the berries release their juices. Stir and lightly mash with a fork. Microwave for another 30 to 60 seconds until slightly thickened. Let the coulis cool completely, then refrigerate. When the panna cotta is set, spoon the chilled berry coulis evenly over the 4 glasses. Gently swirl the top and wipe the rims for a clean finish. Serve the panna cotta well chilled. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Creamy, classic, and done in the microwave. If you enjoyed this panna cotta, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more quick Italian desserts.